Oh, we can stop you guys, yeah?
Okay. Yeah. Trying greetings in the name of the Most High. Yeah, we got the ventriloquism going on. Yeah.
Okay, you reply to him now.
That's okay. There you go. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
So I've got
What am I doing today? Well, I'm going to walk down to the dock bus station and go home in a bus if I can find a bus.
You're using all the hard work. You're going to petrol station, bus coming in, and as well.
How do you say petrol station?
Where do you use today?
What do you use for
Very good. Very. It's a very.
Very good.
Let's get some ready to do my artwork and things. So
Okay, oh, I mean, that's everybody. Wow, hold on.
Letting down in the day.
I mean, you can if you want. Okay, talk to each other.
And then
Oh, your sister? Ah,
we'll do my artwork thing. Yeah. So what's that like
Come on this Saturday, come to the drum work. It's very busy.
That's okay.
man doing this thing, you know? Yeah, man.
Okay, so you, over here we're going to start with the alphabet first. Okay, so, but every letter you say, or every word you say, you really good at it.
Getting ready to do my thing and
Start with
put some painting on, you know?
Hello.
Yeah.
So now the alphabet is every letter you say in the alphabet.
Okay.
And it's really, we can't say things with E, but it makes it sound and make it round. So M is N, okay, because M is one to say N. So think twice. N, O, P, okay, drum again, so Q, R, S, T, U, V, so V, W, so W is a bit complicated, but you got to say so. W, so it's W, not double, W, not X, Y, Z. Now you're going to say, my mum, so it's nine so nine thinks this is very, very good.
Very good.
Nine thinks this is very good. Very good, okay, so now you guys can have a conversation, okay, you can have a conversation here, okay, you can have a conversation, okay, what is it you're going to talk about? Try and use those B's and B's.
You're going to talk to me, you're going to just talk to yourself.
I'm a bit shy, but today I'm thinking that everyone there.
Okay, so keep this going. Okay, so try and keep your lips still constant. Try and force it.